How to buy an Amazon gift card. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can buy an Amazon physical or e-gift card on the Amazon app. So the further ado, let's jump right into the video, guys. Well, so now to buy Amazon gift card, I'm going to open up the Amazon app on my device, and from the Amazon homepage, go ahead and tap on this three-dot line at the bottom right here. Now, once you're here inside this one, he'll get to see the shop by category, and he'll get to see the option called gifting and registry. You just need to tap on this one, and he'll get the option gift card. I'm going to tap on the gift card. And if I scroll down, tap on Amazon gift cards, and it's going to give you the option to select the gift card from here. You'll get to see the e-gift cards and the physical gift card, and go ahead and select whatever you prefer. So I prefer the e-gift card. This is pretty quick and easy, so I'm going to select the e-gift card. And now just to select the category, you can select the standard category from here, and also you can get the animated gift card, and also you can select your photos and videos. You can upload your photos and videos from here in order to get the gift card on it. And you can actually select a different photos right over here. You can select one of these. Let's say I'm going to select this one, and then scroll down and select your amount right here. Let's say I'm going to select the $25, and then scroll down, and here's the important thing. You just need to select your email or text message. So you just need to select one of these from here, how you want to send this gift card through. So let's say I'm going to select the email address, and you just need to enter the email address. And once you have added your email address, you just need to add your name right over here. And also you can type in the message if you want to. I'm not going to do this one. And lastly, just go ahead and tap on quantity and select your quantity from here. And the last thing that you need to do is just to select the date. You can select directly now, or you can select any specific date from here where exactly want to send. So I'm going to select keep it default. I'm going to send it now. And you can directly buy this one by tapping on buy button right over here, or you can add to the cart, and you can select your payment method and go through this process. And a gift card will be processed through this email address, and this is how you can buy the gift card on Amazon. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.